Okay, so the slope of a line is a number that represents the tilt of the line, and so to calculate that number you need to understand what slope is. So let's draw a line here on our plane. It looks maybe something like this. Let's make it like that. So here's our line, and if I want to know the slope of this line, one thing I notice is this slope is downhill from left to right, so this slope will be negative. It should be negative when we figure it out. And the way to do it is to pick any 2 points on the line. So choose good points, such as this point right here, because it's exact, and maybe, let's see. Sorry, I decided to use a better line here. Let's choose this point here, and maybe this point right here, because they're exact. You wouldn't want to choose a point like this that would be fractions for coordinates. So I chose 2 good points on the graph, and now to calculate the slope, slope m, we use the letter m to represent slope, is the rise of the line divided by the run. And so you need to choose 2 points, and then you can calculate the rise and the run simply by walking from one point to the other vertically and horizontally. So I'll go down and then to the right, and I'll put arrows here to indicate which direction I've moved. So what happens then is your rise is the vertical distance you've traveled, and so in this case the rise is down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so the rise is -9, and the run is to the right, so it's positive 1, 2, and 3, so the run is 3. So the slope in this case is the rise, which is -9, over the run, which is +3. -9 divided by +3 is just 3. Or sorry, -3. And so the slope is negative, as I mentioned before, because the line goes downhill from left to right. Here's another straight line down below the y-axis. And again, we calculate slope the same way, so choose any 2 good ordered pairs. So I'm choosing 2 right here. So the slope is the rise divided by the run. And you'll notice that to get from this point on the left to this point on the right, you don't rise at all. You don't go up or down. So the rise is 0, and the run is to the right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 0 divided by 7 is 0. So in fact, any horizontal line has a slope of 0. Here's another line. To calculate the slope, pick any 2 ordered pairs. Calculate your rise. In this case, if I go up, the rise is 1, 2, 3, 4. The run is the horizontal change here, and the horizontal change is 0 between these 2 points. And any number divided by 0 is undefined. So a vertical line has an undefined slope because the run is 0. So the slope is undefined.